This is the 2019 Inaugural Student Leadership Conference. What it is we brought together student government leaders, our student body officers, student representatives, and other kids who hold leadership positions.
If you're going to take the job of being a leader amongst people, you have to actually be walking that walk and talking that talk, right?
Today was actually a fun day because I learned more ways to become a better leader. We learned about presentation, public speaking, and just overall things to do and help your peers, your community.
And when you're active and you're a leader, you do well in life.
That also comes with patience, because that bully might need a little bit more support too.
I learned about public speaking. I learned about how to deal with bullying, how to be a leader.
Not only are you leaders, but you're also servers. So when you are a leader, there's a lot of responsibility that comes with being a leader. You are serving your school and you are serving your peers at your campus.
When they leave here, they'll go back with some kind of maybe an action plan to where they can, at their school site, determine, okay, how do we need to address the bullying because it's becoming so pervasive.
It's very impactful to know that people care.
One of the key words I learned today was integrity. You do something right without nobody looking.
The sky's the limit, and we just want our kids to be hopeful, want to teach them skills, lifelong skills. We want them to be the best citizens possible.